Alright, so in the last video we made it so that we can display all the galleries. Okay, if we go to our home page, we can see all the galleries, and then we can click on one and go to that particular gallery page. It gets us the title, the description. Now what we want to do is make it so we can upload photos to this gallery and then display them down here. Alright, so right now if I click on the button, it goes to photo, upload, and then the ID of the gallery. I actually want to change upload to create. Alright, so if we go to our gallery show view, I just want to change this upload to create. Alright, just to keep it in kind of the same convention as creating a gallery. Alright, so in our controller, we want to go to the photo controller this time. Alright, let's see, app, HTTP, controllers, and photo controller. Alright, so create, we actually want, hold on a second, let me see if we say create /1. Alright, so we're going to have to make a route for that. So let's open up our routes file and let's copy this, and we want this to be photo /create /ID, and then that's going to go to photo controller, and it's going to be the create method. There we go. So back in the controller, we want to get rid of that, and all we want to do is render the create view. This store function is going to be the one that actually stores it. Alright, so render view, then we can return view, and we want to return photo /create, and we also need to pass in the gallery ID. So this is going to come in from the URL. You can name it whatever you'd like. I'm going to say gallery ID, and then I'm going to pass in compact gallery ID. Okay, now if we go to, let's see, photo, and then the create view, I'm actually going to copy what we have in the gallery create view. It's going to be very similar. Alright, so let's change some stuff. We'll say upload photo. And we'll say upload a photo to the, and then we should, actually no, we'll just say upload a photo to the gallery. And then the form here, we're going to change this to be photo controller store. Alright, and then that can stay the same. Now the photos have a title instead of a name, so we're going to replace these. So photo title, and then the name is going to be title. Alright, so that's that. Then we need the description. We already have one, that's good. Then we need a location. I'm just going to copy what we have for description, and we'll change this to location. And then this will be photo location, and we forgot to change this right here. Okay, and this needs to be description, and the image, this isn't cover image, it's just going to be image. And we'll say photo. Alright, now we're also going to need to pass the gallery ID. Now remember, we have access to that here. We need to send it to the store method when we submit the form, so we're going to put that in a hidden field. So we're going to say input type equals hidden, and then the value is going to be gallery ID. Okay, and it's also going to have a name of gallery ID. Alright. And then we have our submit. That looks fine. So let's save that and reload. So there's our upload form, and it's going to be submitted to this store function right here. Let's grab the code from the gallery controller store method. Alright, so I'm just going to grab all this and we'll paste it right here. Alright, so request input, we need to get the title, okay, description, image, owner ID is going to be 1. We also want the location. Alright, I think that's it. Oh, the gallery ID. And gallery ID is coming from the form as a hidden field, but we get it the same way, just request input. Okay, so we got all of our input. Now we're going to check for image, and we can just kind of delete the cover for all of this. And then this one will be image file name. Down here, image file name, and we need to add the rest of our stuff. Alright, then we need our gallery ID. Whoops. Alright, now before I forget, let's go up here and, oh, we didn't set the table. Let's do that. We're going to set private table. Private table is going to be photos. Alright, so back to where we were. I'm going to insert photo. And we need to change this to title. Alright, and then down here, let's change that to photo added. And then the redirect, we want to go to that particular gallery. Alright, so we want to go to gallery.show, and then to include the ID, we're going to create a second parameter and create an array, and we can say ID. This is how you can send parameters. It's going to be the gallery ID. Okay, so we'll save that. So if we go to our home, Now these cover images aren't going to show up automatically in the photo gallery, so what we need to do is re-add them. Alright, so let's go to logos, and I'm going to upload. Okay, I spelled title wrong. I'll fix that in a minute. So Pepsi logo. Location, we'll just say Boston, and let's grab that. Oh, DB, we didn't include that. We got to go up to the top of the photo controller and just say use DB. Column not found, cover image. Where did we put that? Oh, could have just changed that to image. And then where did I misspell that title? I'm going to save that, and then on the create right here. Let's try again. Okay, so it's submitted. Let's see if it went. I'm going to check the photos table. And there it is. Awesome. So now what we need to do is make it so that they show up here. So we need to go back to the gallery show view and go right into here. And let's do a PHP for each. Alright, and we're going to say for each photos as photo, and we'll do a little bit of HTML here. I'm going to say div class column okay, the image is going to be wrapped in a link. And let's see, the source is going to be slash images slash a photo image. Alright, and then the link is going to go to slash photo, slash details slash, and then we need the ID. Okay, and then under that, let's do our title, which will be in an H5. And let's see, that's going to be photo title. And then under that, we'll do the description. All right. What's this? Unexpected semicolon. Oh. There we go. Okay. Actually, let's give this image a class of thumbnail. That'll give it a border, make it look a little better. So now we can go into our galleries and see the images. Alright, so let's try a different gallery. Smartphones. We'll grab that Samsung. And this side, do I have another one? Yeah, I'll do this iPhone. location, say New York. Awesome. So we upload it, takes us right to the gallery and shows us the result. So then the last thing we need to do before getting to the login and all that is we want to be able to click on this. It brings us to a details page. So we want to see all the details, which is the title, the description, the location, and also a bigger version of the image. Alright, so we'll get into that next.